Boom. What's good, y'all? How we doing? Today game day, so but check this out. It's a different kind of video today because as y'all know, with my light situation back there in my tent, I started off with the 100-watt Vivosun light, and then that was for my first one, the smoke tent video. Then we moved on to the next one, and then that's where I added another 100-watt to it. But 200 watts of light with those connected. But we're doing a little differently now because now instead of having them, two separate units, we got a new light. So check it out. Now we got the VS4000. And this is gonna change the game. So I can't wait to get this installed. Let's open the box. Y'all know I'm working with a single hand, so just give me a second. Also, we're gonna take care of that problem too. Got a little another something in mind to take care of having to work with one hand all the time, but check it out. Boom. It's protected nicely because I had it delivered to my sister's house, and they said that the FedEx girl threw it over the fence because she, I guess, didn't want to go around or walk or something. So it's insulated good. So I can't wait to turn it on and look at it. But here we are. It's come with everything you need right here. User manual. And then this is just the cords and everything you need to get it hung up. Look in here, see what's all inside. Boom. Shout out to Vivosun too. I caught this when it was on sale. It's the best time to get them. Comes with everything you need. Here's your power cord. And then the rest is just the hooks and stuff. Bells and whistles. We'll get all this stuff connected. Sit this stuff off to the side here. And then we're gonna lift it up, see what we got. Boom. All Vivosun products, lights come with that nice protective screen that you see here. Check this baby out. 400 watts of light inside of my 32 by 32 by 63 row tent. Now, yes, if I had this thing just on full blast, it probably would be a little bit excessive. But that's why what I'm gonna do is just I'm not gonna have it at full blast. My whole goal from getting this is because here, I'll show y'all this real quick. I'm not gonna install it yet because I can't with a single hand. So we'll do it this way. My whole goal of getting this is for that to literally be the sun, you know what I'm saying? So I want just every part to have light. Now once we get this installed, I'll get to see. But I'm gonna put this down. You can get it on their website. This is the VS4000. I got it on their website. It was on sale when I got it. I don't know if that sale is still going on. But there you go, y'all. The beautiful ladies are over here. And give me a second. We'll be back once we get this baby installed. Boom, boom. We back, y'all. So these are the old lights. They was different versions, but same wattage. I believe this one right here is older than that one. And over here is the hardware. Now, I have all of this right here just to explain something about how much less wires that I now have, because I had to take these out, and you know, since I was using those, I have 4. Now we're down from 4 to just 2, so less cord to deal with. This right here is the connecting piece that I didn't explain beforehand, but this right here is a connector. You know, when you got them, you can link them and everything. These cords right here, now I took this out. This was the controller cord for these. These were different. This is the controller cord for the VS4000. See the difference? So I took the cord out and replaced it with that one. It came with 2 of them, so that's why this one's still right here. But I had to take that out, so less cords again. And then the power cord, I had they take the same power cord, and like I said, I had 2 for them lights. So now I'm down to 1 power cord, and now I have extra. So just off rip, it saves a lot of space on cords and wires just having the 1 unit like that. Here we go. User manual, VS4000, old lights. Now let's get to what it looked like. Boom. So I got them in a triangle shape now. Can't wait to start the next grow under the new light. See the difference. And look at that, y'all. $400 watts of light now. We started at 100 watts of light with the original to 200 watts of light, and now we have 400 watts of light. And my goal here is for it to be the sun. The whole top is the sun, so that's exactly what I wanted for this shape tint. Everything under the sun gets light. Don't have to worry about nothing now. Now we're ensured that everything gets some type of light. Only thing I have to do now is I'll adjust the lights and everything. Show y'all how that go. But look at it. Look fantastic. We got the gigawatt in the front. We got the Girl Scout cookies. I'm still vegan, still young. And then we got Gorilla Zettles. Now this one had nutrient burn and all types of different stuff, because again, that's the one that I reused the soil for. So keep in mind that it was just a lot of different things going on because I didn't follow the complete protocol. If you've been keeping up with my videos, then you know. I may have noticed the papaya cookies is gone. I took it out after the short that I dropped. It was time for that one to be harvested, so I took it out. These ones still got a ways to go, but it looks great, y'all. And then here, I'll show y'all this real quick. So the controller is right here. I'll disconnect that so that I can show y'all this. On the side right here. There we are. Your dimmer and everything. 20, 50, 75, 100 off. Well, we don't have my numbers messed up, but yeah. 20, 50, 25, 50, 75, 100 off. This is the 25, 50, 75, 100. So essentially 100 watts, 200 watts, 300 watts, 400 watts. And yeah, y'all. Just wanted to show y'all the brand new light. Whole new thing going now, so it's gonna be easier. I wanna see what the new yields are gonna be. And see how much less cords it is to deal with. The whole top is the This is the sun. That's exactly what we want right there. This is an update, y'all. It's also the pretty much the unboxing and the showing of the Vivosun VS4000 with 400 watts of light. Boom. It's still on sale right now. I think it's gonna be on sale for the next couple of days. So if y'all don't got one, make sure you grab y'all one. Guarantees 20% yield increase. Of course, it's gonna be more or less depending on what you do to it. But that's it, y'all. We growing smoke still. And these beautiful ladies, they ready. Well, they getting ready, but they ready for this light. That's what I mean. Can't wait to see what the difference be. I know we'll probably have to have some heat problems maybe, but I'm ready to get some new fans and different things to deal with that. We'll see how this goes. But that's it, y'all. This is the unboxing and showing of the Vivosun VS4000. And it's also a little update on Growin Smoke. And we about, y'all. Boom.